is that we continue to nurture and flourish our relationship.
At the gracious invitation of His Majesty King Mswati III, King of the Kingdom of Eswatini, His Excellency President Lai Ching-te of the Republic of China and Taiwan, led a delegation to Eswatini for a state visit.
Your Excellency, the celebration of 40 years in the throne is obviously one thing that one should always be grateful first to the Almighty who has guided us up until this time. He has guided us as eMandvulo.
Mabukisi Foundation, lwadi nebuve ingcebo.